Hi childrens, good morning, happy morning childrens. नमस्ते बच्चों, स्वागत है हिंदी क्लास में आप सभी का. वेलकम बैक टू हिंदी क्लास. सो हाउ आर यू ऑल चिल्ड्रन? कैसे हो आप सब? आंसर टू मी इन हिंदी, कैसे हो आप सब? अच्छे हो? गुड, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे. So, welcome back to Hindi class to all my kids, okay? So, today we are going to learn, okay? You are going to learn the new chapter 13, okay? What is the new chapter? Have you seen the 13? Yes, Lalach Buri Bala. Lalach Buri Bala, okay? Bala, Lalach Buri Bala, there is a स्टोरी. ओके, व्हाट हुज स्टोरी? डॉग, यानी किसका कहानी है? कुत्ते की कहानी है. सो कुत्ते की कहानी हुआ ग्रीटी. व्हाट इज दैट? ग्रीट नेवर प्रे. ओके, नेवर पेस. ग्रीट नेवर पेस. ओके, सो लालच करने से बुरी होती है. लालच करना बुरी बात है, लालची नहीं करना चाहिए. You do not do the greed, okay? So, क्या सीख मिलती है इस लेसन से हमें? कि सीख ये मिलती है कि हमें लालच नहीं करना चाहिए. We do not greed, never greed, okay? Okay? Do you understand, children? We'll go to learn some story. Okay, we'll be understand about a story. You can see that here is a dog, right? What is doing dog? Dog was shitting and thinking about a food because the dog is feeling hungry. Okay, we learn and understand the story. What is that? दो कुत्ते Sanopi. One dog name is a Sanopi. Two dogs is there. Two dogs name is one name is Sanopi. और एक गुफा के पास रहते थे. They both are staying in the den. Okay, they both are staying in the den, nearby the den. So एक दिन दोनों को बहुत भूख लगी. One day they both are feel very hungry. Okay, they both was feel very hungry. एक दिन means one day, दोनों means both. Okay, को बहुत भूख लगी means लगी थी. They both was feel very hungry that one day. Okay, घूमते घूमते वे नदी के किनारे पहुंचे. They was searching the food, roaming as going to nearby the river. Nadi means river. Nearby the river. वहां पर उन्हें दो रोटियां दिखाई दी. They have seen the two chapati. Okay, two chapati. Dog, what is dog name? Sanopi. One dog is named Sanopi. Okay, and they both are staying together. And they both went to the searching the food. When they came nearby the river, they have seen two chapati. Okay. Next one. वहां पर उन्हें दो रोटियां दिखाई दी. सनोपी ने एक रोटी उठाई और नदी का पुल पार करके उसे खाने लगा. Sanopi, one dog name. So Sanopi, what he did, he took the one chapati and he came nearby the river. Okay, he crossing the bridge. You can see that the dog is coming and he is taking the here food and he is going the nearby the river. Okay, then he was sitting on the river. He eating the chapati. Okay, करके उसे खाने लगा. नदी का पुल पार करके उसे खाने लगा. When crossing the river, that time he was started to eating the chapati. Okay, do you understand, children? दो कुत्ते स्नूपी और एक गुफा के पास रहते थे. Two dogs, one dog is named Snoopy. Both are staying nearby the den. So एक दिन दोनों को बहुत भूख लगी थी. One day they feel very hungry. Okay. घूमते they are searching the food as they went nearby the river. Okay. When they went to the nearby river, they have seen the two chapatis, and the one dog is Snoopy fastly took, and he came the nearby the river. When he crossing the river, he sitting on there and started to eat the chapati. Understand, children? Do you understand? Good, very good. So next one, Hoopy ने भी रोटी उठाई. Then another dog also took the chapatis. Okay, Hoopy also took the chapatis और नदी का पुल पार करने लगा. And he was crossing the Hoopy was crossing the river. लेकिन उसने नदी के पुल पर खड़े होकर नीचे झांका तो अपनी परछाई देखी. Then Hoopy was, when he is crossing the river, suddenly the Hoopy was seen himself a shadow in the river. Okay, परछाई देखी. He was seen in river. There one dog is sitting and taking the chapati legs. Then उसने सोचा कि एक दूसरा कुत्ता रोटी पकड़ने खड़ा है. Then he was think about that, watching the shadow. He was thinks, one dog is coming to take my chapati. Okay, one dog is coming to take my chapati, and he is taking my chapati. When he kept in mouth, no, dog is keeping in the mouth only chapati's food and all. Yes. That time he was crossing the river. That time he was seen in the shadow. One dog is coming and take the chapati. He take the chapati. Okay. उसे देखकर उसे भौंकना शुरू कर दिया. When that Hoopy was seen in the shadow in river, he was started to the barking. Okay. He was started to barking. Then जैसे उसने अपना मुंह खोला, वो रोटी नीचे पानी में गिर गई. When he is open to mouth to barking, no, that time the food was there in the mouth. That food was fell down. That food was fell down. So रोटी नीचे पानी में गिर गई तथा वो उस रोटी से हाथ धो बैठा. Then what is happened? Because when he is opened the mouth, the chapati was fell down in the river. So he was lost the chapati. Am I right? Yes. He was lost the chapati. When he is opened the mouth, the chapati was fell down. So it was gone in the river. Right? स्नूपी ने लालच नहीं किया तथा उसने अपना पेट भर लिया. The Snoopy, one dog is the first dog. He took the chapati, he crossed the river, and he was sitting slowly and eating. Okay, but Hoopy was feel the greed. I will take much more, like that. He was thinking in the mind. When he is coming to crossing the river, suddenly he was watching in the river. So the Hoopy was seen in river. There is a dog sitting and taking the chapatis like that. So when he is going to be the cold, that another dog, that time that chapati was falling down. See, then he lost the chapati. Understand, children? Yes. But another dog, Snoopy came across the river. Snoopy was crossed the river and he was sitting and he would eat and his stomach was filled properly. Right? Yes. लेकिन लालच में Hoopy ने अपनी रोटी भी खो दी और भूखा रहा, इसीलिए बच्चों. But the Hubi was the lost the chapati and full day he was empty stomach only stayed. So that's why we should not do the greedy to another's things watching them. Okay, we should not feel to ourselves to greet. Okay, understand children? Do you understand what I'm saying? Good, very good. So lalach buri bala hai. Greed is a neighbor pays. Okay, greed is a neighbor pays. If you feel greedy, that greedy will be neighbor satisfied. Okay, so don't feel greed. Okay, whatever you will get, just tell them to thank you. Okay, don't think I will eat much more. It is not good food. You eat how much you want. Okay, children? Do you understand? Good, very good. So have you enjoyed this story? Good, very good. So you can learn this story. Try to learn. Okay. This is very good story, and we about this story we are learning. What we are learning? Yes. Lalach buri bala hai. Greed neighbor pays. Okay. Greed is neighbor pay. Do you understand the children? Good. So what you have to do, children? Having the bird's name, right? There is some bird's name. So what you have to do? Birds, you have to be color. Okay. What is the name of the birds in English? Owl. And what about Hindi? Ullu. Okay. Ullu. There is a birds. You have to be colored properly. Okay. And read the bird's name also. कौन सा पक्षी है ये? उल्लू. उल्लू. Okay. उल्लू रात को जागता है. पता है? Do you know? Yes. The owl is wake up in the night. You are sleeping in the night, but they are roaming in the night. See the owl eyes. Have you seen the owl? Yes, I also seen in the Tamil Nadu. Other place I didn't see, but Tamil Nadu I have seen. Okay. So this one is you have to color. How to color? Very neat and clean in your book. What is the page number, children? Yes, the page number is the 72. Okay, so there is some birds. So you have to be learn and the color. Learning with the colors. Okay, bird's name in Hindi. English you know very well, right? So you have to know in Hindi also. Before, what are the birds' name you have learned? More. Then, more after, which? Kabutar. Kabutar after? Murgi. Murgi after? Now, Ullu. Okay? Now, Ullu. So, after the story, there is some dots. You can see the dots. So, page number 71. Have you seen the dots? Yes. So, that dots having the sunflower, sun, okay. Join the dots completely and picture and color them. Okay. So, joining with the dots, you have to be colored. Draw the dots and color it. Okay. Very neat and clean. The two dots picture image is there. No, 71. Page number 71. So there you have to be joining with the dots. You have to be color. Okay. Will you be color now? Good. Very good. So neat and clean. You have to be color there. Okay. What is that? First one is sun. Sun means what is that? Suraj. Suraj. Next one is a cake. Okay. So that also you have to be color as a colorfully. Okay. Not only single color, you can add the some more color